Here back with a brand new video. Now my other video ran kind of long, so I did not want to keep you guys any longer, so we're just gonna go ahead and we'll jump right in. This is just a short video for a pickup that I got. So you guys know from all the other videos I did pick up that crimson Tint 1. I did see that these restocked for GS sizes on Sneakers app, or that was supposed to be coming up, so hopefully ladies, if you missed out, you got a chance to go ahead and get these. But when these came out, you guys know I went and got that satin hook shirt that went with them. Now another brand I tend to rock a lot, this sweater is Hollister, the undershirt that I'm rocking right now is Hollister. I rock a lot of it. I love getting the deals that they have on a consistent basis, and I'll rock men's, women's, it doesn't really matter what I will choose to rock, just understand that. So just went and got some basic stuff here. These look mighty big, but I did go and get some socks. Hopefully these fit. I'm gonna have to shrink these things down. I got little feet, but I just went and got some basic tees. I love tees that don't necessarily have a ton of graphics all the time on them, because I like to pair them under other things. And you guys know the drop tail front shirts. So the hem bottom. So this is only $8. It was $8 on Hollister's website last week. I'm a Gold Plus member. I get free shipping. Now this is interesting. So this is a coral shirt. I thought it would go super well. So coral shirt to go with, so just kind of a coral shirt. Now it is more of a coral pink shirt. It's more of a coral pink, but I still think that I can finesse and rock these together. So just some basic stuff. And I understand you don't always have to spend tons of money when it comes to shirts. Pay attention to sales when seasons are changing. That's a perfect time to go ahead and pick up on some steals as they're trying to get rid of old seasonal stuff. They're moving into new. I mean, it's happening at Kids Foot Locker right now. We're having to put so much winter and fall stuff on clearance because we got so much spring and summer stuff coming in. So take advantage of the deals, because if you can, honestly, the things that need to fit you amazingly well always, to me, will be like your bottoms, like your jeans. They need, taper, just fit well in all the right places. When it comes to your shirts, those don't have to be crazy expensive, because having a nice button-up shirt to go over it, a sweater, a jacket can always dress up any basic tee. Just being able to have one, you gotta have a few. You gotta have a couple, men or women. It just depends on whatever style you may like. I hate women's cap sleeve shirts. They've just never been my thing. I'm personally not a fan of them, and I never will be. But this is just more my way, my style, so I went ahead and just picked 2 of these up. So they were only $8 a piece. I thought that was a good deal. People ask sometimes, where do you get your khaki joggers? Just go to Hollister and get men's small or extra small. Women, if you usually wear like a women's small or so, men, great place to go as well. I know a lot of times when we see these sneaker photos, we see the on-foot looks for them, they will have these cuffed khaki joggers on. That's a great place to go. They will go on sale for $25 a pop. If you want great jeans, men, go to PacSun. I know they always have amazing sales where you can even buy one, get one 50% off. So listen, when it comes to the denim, I think that's where you can go premium for sure, because it can last you a really long time. When it comes to the tees, I think it benefits you to get some that are soft, good material, will last through quite a few washes, you wearing them a lot, but that also don't break the bank. There's no need to break the bank, okay? Like half the time, who are you trying to impress? Like no one. That really matters. Just how I feel, all right? So this is just a short video. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you saw this, just to show you a little bit of some pickups to go with this bad boy, and just, spring tees, lighter colors is what it is. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, peace out.